Welcome back.
Once
so
again,
Tekka here.
Where are we? YouTube. We're on YouTube.
Oh, I didn't know the answer to that.
That's a tough question.
It
Okay,
is.
here we go. What are we talking about today?
Okay, so today we are going to talk about communication. So our students who may be nonverbal, who don't have access to any kind of a communication device or any type of visual supports for communication, we're going to take you to a free website. So this is one that we just love, and it is called Project Core. So you want to just get right down to it?
Okay. So Project Core. How many words are here?
So there are 36
core words. I was just kidding. I knew that.
Do you want to count them?
No, I don't. I got it.
We don't have time for that.
So, as a parent, you may be going, I want to teach communication, more importantly, language to my child while they're at home. And so you don't know where to start. What words are important? What order do you teach them in? How do you teach them? So we want to give you resources to be able to either print out a board, and they come in all sizes.
Right.
Just like humans.
Yeah.
So we have a 36 board.
Yes, core words. 36
core words.
And I want to make a comment.
Oh, talk about core words. You bet.
Yeah. So first of all, there is research to support why these 36 words were picked. And we're going to take you on a little virtual tour of the website here in a minute. So then you'll be able to see what that research is. But more importantly, I used to be the teacher who wanted everything in color, have everything be all cutesy and pretty. But then by the time I finished in the classroom, I didn't have time to make sure everything was all printed in color. I had to sometimes print things on the fly, and I didn't have access to a colored printer. So we printed this one black and white just so that you know it doesn't have to be in color like these are. Now, absolutely for visual purposes, these are high contrast symbols, so that would be an exception. But just know that if you don't have access to that, you can print. You can print it in black and white.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we got 36 core words.
Right.
We have them, and they come in various shapes and sizes. So here's a 4 core.
Yes.
And so you can just flip, and you see all the different words that are there. And then we have
This one's the 4 in line universal core that you can do like partner assisted scanning with. So, and this will kind of all make sense once we go on that virtual tour of the website. So,
and these are 3D printed,
yes,
visual with the core words. It's already in on this website in the right format for you to be able to download these and print these.
Right.
So hang on tight.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Yeah, and one other thing, that is the beauty of this, is that you have all different formats already PDF'd for you or already ready to hook up to a 3D printer. If you know somebody who has that, or if you have access, you can do that. And so what is the word that you have?
This word is go.
Is go. So I'm going to show you on this big one. Look, so this is the same word. So if you had a student who has vision and they need that tactile, that's the same thing right there. Yeah.
Let's go to the website.
We can go there now. Nice job.
Thanks. I needed to work that in.
Hi. Okay, so here is the Project Core website. And if you'll notice right here, it is just project-core.com. So this is just the homepage where it talks about Project Core, and you guys can just see a little bit about how it was created and all of that. But first, what we're going to do is go to this quick start guide. And when you click here, and it takes you to some really good, just some places that you can go to learn a little bit more about what Project Core is. So you can download this if you want. We talked about the different systems, and we showed you the 36 location and the 4 square communication book. Well, this right here, this universal course selection tool, this is where you would know what is going to be the best array for your student, whether it's going to be the four corner eye gaze, or an inline universal core where they would do partner assisted scanning. Anyway, this will, you'll just click here and put this information in, and then it will reveal what is going to be the best one for your students. So anyway, you'll want to go here to the quick start guide. Then you're going to want to come over here to this universal core. And once you have, you can also find the selection tool here, but once you know what it is that you want to print for your student, this right here shows you all of the different things that you can print. So let's just take, for example, this 9-location universal core communication book. You click on there, and it's awesome because it gives you everything already PDF'd. We have board maker symbols here. We have high contrast symbols. There's symbol sticks. There's widget symbols. So whatever your preference or mode is, you would just click on this and it would download the PDF. You would then open it up and voila, there it is. That is so simple. So anyway, this is Project Core, and it's an amazing resource. It just is so exciting to be able to teach language, because that's what we want to teach our students that are nonverbal. We've got to know what the language is and to be able to use a communication system. So this is a free resource.